Knowing what just happened to the servant who expressed her faith, Asiyah told Fir'awn that she disbelieves in him and does not care what will happen to her. She then goes on to express her belief in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When she confronts Fir'awn, the horrible and cruel tyrant that he is, he orders his servants to drag her to the desert, tortures her in front of his own daughters, and they laugh at her. The scene is really heart-wrenching, but we only share this to understand the perseverance and strength of this amazing woman. Subhanallah, there's Asiyah with no supporter, deprived of food, water, protection from the scorching sun, and having the children of her powerful and evil husband laugh at her in her most painful moment. And despite all of this suffering, we see this beautiful expression of the deep hope in the only truth in this world, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What an amazing believer to not despair in the mercy of Allah despite her extreme hardship. Allah answers her dua. When she looks up at the sky, she sees her palace in Jannah. Asiyah alayhi salam also sees the angel sent by Allah to shade her. What a mercy from Allah, what an expression of His love for her.